How to create Shareasale affiliate account without website. But of course, let us not forget the prerequisites. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and has a potential audience. This will make content creation more enjoyable and sustainable. Use a social media profile or page, for example, YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram account, TikTok, Pinterest, that is active, has a decent following, and is relevant to the products or services you plan to promote. Ensure your social media platform has consistent, high-quality content related to your chosen niche. This shows Shareasale that you are a legitimate publisher with an engaged audience. Then the question is how to do it or how to create it. Go to Shareasale or a Win website and log in or sign up for an account. You can create an account if you don't have one with various specifications. After that, search for merchants you wish to promote. As a network, you will have a choice for merchant just like everyone. You can find our merchant search here by going to merchants, search for merchants in your account. After applying to a merchant's program, you can check the approval status for the program on the merchant's summary report. If your status for a program is pending or declined, reach out to the merchant for more information. After that, you now have the code ready to place on an HTML-friendly portion of your social media. To use a raw link, click Select URL Only, and this link is ready to use in an email on social media or etc.